The digestive system. Ingestion is the first process of the digestive process. When you take the first bite of your burger, your teeth chew up the burger and the amylase break down the bun of the burger. The burger turns into bolus, and the bolus goes down your esophagus by a process called peristalsis. Digestion is the second process. The food goes into the stomach, and the pepsin breaks down the proteins. Absorption is the third process of the digestive process. The food goes into the small intestine, and the small intestine uses the villi to absorb all the nutrients of the food. Then the food goes into the large intestine, and the large intestine absorbs water and vitamins of the food.
Now the food goes into the rectum and goes out the anus.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
This is the circulatory system. Yeah! The vena cava returns deoxygenated blood into the right atrium. After that, blood is transferred to the right ventricle. The right ventricle will pump deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle to the lungs. Blood picks up oxygen in the lungs and releases carbon dioxide, and newly oxygenated blood will be carried from the lungs to the left atrium of the heart. The left atrium pumps oxygenated blood into the left ventricle. After that, the left ventricle then pumps blood out of the heart to the rest of the body by the way of the large artery called the aorta. Oxygen will be pumped from the larger arteries to arterioles. Oxygenated blood and nutrients are exchanged for carbon dioxide and waste in the capillaries. Venules collect deoxygenated blood and transport it to the veins. And now, here's the respiratory system.
We inhale air through our mouth or nose. The air enters out the nasal cavity, where it is moistened, filtered, and warmed. Next, air continues down past the back of your throat, known as the pharynx, and then past the epiglottis, which prevents food from entering. The air travels down the trachea until it comes to the bronchi that branch off into the left and right lungs. The tube brings the air into your body, gets smaller and smaller. These tubes are now called bronchioles. At the end of these tubes are little sacs called alveoli. Here, a gas exchange takes place.